Enabling grayscale display on your iPhone 16 can help reduce screen distractions and eye strain, while also serving as an effective digital wellness tool. You can manage this iPhone setting in two different ways. The first method we'll demonstrate is using color filters. To do this, go to your home screen and then tap on the settings icon. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down and tap on accessibility. To continue, find and tap on display and text size. Next, scroll down and tap on color filters. Finally, toggle the color filter switch to turn the feature on or off, and then select grayscale from the filter options. Alternatively, you can access and manage this setting using zoom filter. To do this, head back to the settings menu and then tap on accessibility. From the accessibility settings menu, find and tap on zoom. Now tap to enable the zoom switch. To continue, tap on zoom filter and then select grayscale. Enabling or disabling grayscale on your iPhone allows you to control the color display, reducing visual distractions, minimizing screen time, and potentially improving focus. To disable grayscale using the zoom method, you can either turn off zoom entirely or set the zoom filter to none. And that's it. Please subscribe to this channel if you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more helpful tutorials and troubleshooting guides.